Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how to activate the sense of touch and how important is the sense of touch to enter thinking from so that your manifestation comes faster. Many of us, when we heard about the thinking from the wish fulfilled, we immediately tried it so we get the manifestation of our desire. But many of us failed. One of the main and most important things to get a successful visualization and enter the thinking from the wish fulfilled is to activate one of our human senses. When we enter our meditation or visualization, we need to enter into it as we already are experiencing it, even though we can't see it into our physical life, or so-called the 3D world. Now, when we enter into meditation, we need to imagine it in first person and present tense, as already living it, not in third person or so, not watching ourselves out there from an angle experiencing it, but us personally experiencing it from our own eyes and body. Now, to make it easy to enter, we need to activate or include one of our senses to begin with. We activate the sense of touch. Now, first we need to know the first main steps before we go into visualization or meditation. The first steps are to know your goal. Don't go into meditation before you know exactly what your goal is, before you have decided what your goal is. Because if you go before deciding what you want, you cannot be relaxed. Your mind will go all around trying to find what you want. And there will come many things that you want, so you will end up getting stressed and anxious. The step 2, find a calm place and relax. After you decide and know what you want, then find a calm place where no one can disturb you and just relax and let go all of your thoughts and all of your daily routine things for a moment. Take some deep breaths and just relax. Step 3, immobilize your body. Now you need to immobilize the body. Immobilizing the body means to block your body from moving and reaching a relaxation and stillness, because it is essential for effectively using the power of imagination and visualization. By quitting the physical and mental noises, we can focus better on our desired outcomes and more effectively focus on our visualization. You need to let go all your physical body, relax, and you start to use your imaginal body by your imagination. You use your imaginal hands, imaginal feet without moving them in physical. You actually see through your imaginal eyes. After doing all these steps, now you can visualize and start thinking from your wish fulfilled by entering its reality and using your attention only on the wish fulfilled and why your goal can be realized, and letting go any doubt or any reason that says that your goal cannot be realized. But more importantly, to activate this sense of touch can help you focus better and enter the feeling and lose yourself in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. That's why activating the senses in visualization are powerful, because they can help you bridge the gap between what is imagined and what is real. So all you need is to use your imagination 100% and live the wish fulfilled only through imagination at that moment, no matter how long you do the visualization, whether it is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 40 minutes. But I encourage you to start with less minutes first, like 3 to 5 minutes. By practicing more and more, you will start to make it a habit and it will be easier later. All you need to do is constantly remind yourself and switch off from your senses and 3D world to go to your inside world, because it is a matter of time until the inside world will manifest and melt into outside world. Keep practicing and proving yourself that this works. It worked for me, so why wouldn't it work for you? We are one. Okay guys, that's it for this video. So next video I will share with you how to create one single scene that implies your wish fulfilled and make it as vivid as possible. Don't forget to like and comment in the video if you find it important. Thank you.